everyone, welcome to IDALS. I'm Chandni and today I will be teaching you an advanced choreography on the song Hardwired by Nicki Minaj. For your better understanding, this tutorial is divided into 4 sections followed by a showcase by me. So without wasting much time, let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so now let's start with the first section. So what you're going to do is you have to stand slightly diagonal. Now with the hands, what you're going to do is 1, roll it in, roll it out and open, 2, 1 and 2. And with the body, you're going to do like a rock motion, back, forward and back. So you go roll and back, 1 and 2. Cool? So which we are going to do just once. From there, you're going to just step to the right and kind of like wipe something with the palms. Wipe, wipe. So first to the right and the left. From the top, 1 and 2, 3 and. From here, you're going to do a step ball change. So like a padipuri, step cross change. And with the hands, you're going to go just roll. It's like the same movement with the legs. So you just go 1 and 2. You're going to go that way. Yeah. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. From there, you're going to take your left leg forward and point with your heel. So you're going to use your point and heel straight, straight. So the first move, you're going to go forward and with the second, you're going to go sideways. Yeah. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Yeah. From there, you're going to put all your weight on your left leg and take a turn from your left shoulder. You can use your arms as well. So from here, you're going to put your weight on the left. Use your arm to do a turn. And from there, you're going to go right, roll, left. Yeah. So from the top, we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Yeah. 1. So from 8 and, you're going to do a slight wave from the hip. So you're going to go hit and up. Roll, roll. So there are like 2 snares. You go hit, hit. From there you go wave and hand up, left hand. It's almost like you're holding a bag. So from hit, hit, roll and up. From here, you're going to pull your right arm towards. So you're going to use your right arm, pull your left arm towards your center. Place it back and up. So wave up, shift, shift, up. One more time. Wave up, shift, shift, up. And from there, you're just going to relax your arms. Groove, groove, groove. So from the top, we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll, open, side, side. Cross, step, forward, open, open. From there, you're going to again use the weight on the left leg. Turn and go hit and hit. So the legs go hit in, and with the same accent, you're going to use with the arms. So you go roll and roll. So it's almost like an initiation and then it goes roll. From there, wave and up. Now once you come here, there's a pause. So this whole thing is going to be 1 count. From there you go pull, back and up. So these things are the 3 bases. You're going to wave up, boom, boom, boom. And from there you go roll. Just roll your hip towards the right and let your arms relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's almost like scooping. You scoop, step, scoop, step. And from there, again your weight is towards the left. You use your right arm to just go whip, whip twice and then go out, in. So from here, whip, whip, and then you're going to bring your body straight, arms out and in. So this is almost going to be like a lean from the upper body. You just lean and arms go out and in. Yeah? Let's try this slightly faster. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and wave, hold from there, hit, base, base. So it's almost like once you come here, if you want to go direct.